Welcome to Study Loop.
Here on this problem, we want to write out each proposition using disjunctions, conjunctions, and negations. Here on A, we have there exists in X, P of X. Now our domain are the integers -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. And so this means P of 0, or P of 1, or P of 2, or negatives here. I didn't include those. At least one of them must be true. And so it means we put all of them together with an or. On B, we have for all x, P of x. And so this is going to look very similar to the top, except that we need and in between all these because they must all be true. They must all be true. On C, we have there exists in x such that not P of x. And so what this means is that at least one of them must not be true. So we must have either not P of 0 or not P of 1 or not P of 2 or not P of -1 or not P of -2. On D, we have for all x, not P of x. And so what this means is that we have all of these and one another. And so it's and not all of these because none of them can be true. On E, we want there does not exist in x P of x. Okay, there does not exist in x P of x, which means they're all false. Okay, they're all false. And so this means that we have the exact same thing as we had above. Okay, they're all false. Okay, they're all false because there doesn't exist one where it's true. And then on F, we want not for all x P of x. This just means that there's at least one where it's not true. Okay, there's at least one where it's not true. Well, this just brings us up to C. And so that's our answer here.